Okay, so what I did was, if you recall, this was just an opening. So I had the guys to frame it up so that we can actually put a door here. So this door here is going to be moved to this area right here. So it will not have two doors. It will just be this door that's going to be actually right here. This is going to be the closet. Okay, so this is the closet, and we have walled this area up, and so they'll have a nice size walk-in closet. All right, nice size walk-in closet. And this side will be one open room for them to do whatever they wanted to do. If you remember, there was a wall that was here, and so this wall is now gone. This is going to be one room. So somebody will have a large bedroom or a game room, because this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So it's 1891 square feet, heated. And like I said, I know the ceilings are low, but this was an addition to the house when I bought it, and they just had the wall here. And so I knocked it down to make it into a larger room. And this is the end result.